Guys, look at that. That is looking 100% better right there. Everything. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to go ahead and jump on the S80 here. We're going to start out, just go ahead and wash under the hood, get that all cleaned up so it don't get super dirty when we're working on it. And then we're going to go ahead, pull it into the garage, just start getting after things. Probably rip off that front radiator support here, as well as the headlights and the left or the right front fender. Get that stuff just torn off, see what we're working with, see how much it's bent up, what we can sort of straighten, put back to where it's supposed to be. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it and get the underside of this hood all cleaned up. Guys, look at that. That is looking 100% better right there. Everything's looking, geez, as close to brand new as this thing can get. Now, I know some people don't like washing their engine compartments, stuff like that, but these engines, there's not really a whole lot of places where water is going to cause issues. So, you know, guys, you just wash it, let it dry, and you're good to go. But what we are going to do next is go ahead and get this thing in the garage so we can start tearing it apart and see what we're working with. Alright guys, so we got her in the garage here. What we're going to go ahead and do now is actually tear off the radiator support here and the driver's side headlight, as well as the fender over there. Once we get that all taken off, I'm going to see where we're at. Probably stop there for this video, but let's go ahead and start tearing it apart. Okay guys, went ahead and got that fender off. As you can see, it's completely gone on the front end. Got that rad support off of there. So guys, we actually got really lucky here. So the condenser, radiator, both fine, nothing's leaking. The only thing we got to do is down here, you can see where it's not exactly in its mount. So we're going to fix that, get it in its mount, straighten this metal up a little bit. It needs to come out just a little bit. We're going to do that off cameras. That takes a little bit of time. But straighten that up, and then guys, we'll be back at you whenever we go ahead and actually throw on the new rad support and the fender and start putting this thing back together. Actually, we might go ahead and tackle the PCV system, as well as a couple other items below the intake there while we have the front end off and it's easy access. Probably go ahead and take care of that next. Then after that, throw the front end back together, headlights. We also cleared the washer reservoir, guys. It's not leaking and it doesn't have any cracks, so we're good there too. So yeah, we really made out on this one. Pretty easy fix. Still can't believe I really got this car for 400 bucks. Yeah, it needs a lot of work and stuff like that, but once we do it, and it's probably going to be around 1,500 bucks worth of parts and stuff, and once we do it, this car is going to be good and reliable for years to come, and I'm excited to drive it because these are very fun and comfortable cars to drive. So anyways guys, next video we'll probably go ahead and tackle the PCB and some of the components on the engine while it's easy access, and then from there start putting this thing back together. So that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, see the progress of this car coming up and more things coming in the future. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the Volvo S80. And with that, guys, until next time, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Be sure to get out there, do it yourself.